The purple cow. What is a purple cow? The concept is the brainchild of Seth Godin and was best articulated in his best-selling 2003 book, The Purple Cow: Transform Your Business by Being Remarkable, which went on to go through 23 print editions in the first 2 years alone, selling more than 150,000 copies in that same period. Godin's concept is simple, but effective. He asks readers to imagine they are surveying a vast field full of cows grazing. Viewers might appreciate this scene out in nature, but it is unlikely that any of the individual cows will stand out from the crowd or leave an impression on the viewer's mind. Now, imagine all of a sudden, you catch sight of a purple cow. This cow would certainly grab your attention. In fact, you would want to investigate it further to find out how the cow had come to be purple. Godin's argument is that in business and marketing, we need to have products that are the equivalent of the purple cow in a field full of normal black, brown, and white cows. In a market that is bombarding customers with all kinds of products in a manner of shapes, sizes, colors, and costs, to be successful, one needs to stand out. The goal is to create a product or service which makes people stop and take notice, much like one would if they set eyes on a purple cow in the middle of a herd of normal colored cattle. Godin is not suggesting being controversial just for the sake of doing so. After all, if you try to market something like heeled Uggs or transparent clothes, you might well generate attention, much like the purple cow, but no one is going to buy your product, unless it is a one-off purchase for the purpose of a practical joke. Rather, Godin is arguing that you need to have a product that stands out and catches people's attention, but one which is also a great product, which people will want to buy and become repeat customers of. This concept is highly applicable to the world of modern marketing. Every day, we are bombarded by marketing, from television commercials and internet advertisements to billboards and signs. We are exposed to these adverts at such high frequency that we have learned to tune them out unless they stand out like a purple cow in a field of black and white ones. But some cut across our attentions and grab them for one reason or another, whether it is a striking image, a thought-provoking slogan, or a wholly novel concept. These are all examples of purple cows. Thus, what Godin has preached in The Purple Cow is that in order to be successful, you need to stand out and make your product unique. This requires creativity, innovation, and thinking which pushes the boundaries. But with the right application of these, any product can become a purple cow in a field full of boring black and white cows.